Welcome. To get started, open your browser and head to the sb2 PKI page to download your required certificates. Download the root certificate first, then sub-CA1, and finally sub-CA2. Once the downloads are finished, close your browser and use the Windows Start menu to open the Certificate Manager. Search Manage User Certificates. Next, expand the Trusted Root Certification Authorities folder. Right-click the Certificates folder. Select All Tasks, Import to launch the Import Wizard. Remember to verify the certificates are imported to the correct folders. The security warning displays the certificate's thumbprint for credential verification. Follow the same steps to import both subordinate certificates into the Intermediate Certification Authorities store. Once the sub-CA2 import is complete, return to Trusted Root Certification Authorities Insert Manager and open the Certificates folder. Scroll down to verify that the sb2 root CA is listed. Click to open. Open the Certification Path tab and verify that there is a certificate icon next to the certificate name and that the status is OK. To complete the verification, repeat these steps in the Intermediate Certification Authorities folder. Well done!